There's the man, the myth, the legend himself, guys. And why is this blurry? OMG.
So let's tell them a little bit about how we kind of found each other.
Sure. A lot of you guys know that I've been like doing YouTube videos pretty much all my life. Hey friends, here's my Instagram. Let's like vlog sometimes. Bro, I can look at his own picture of me, bro. Look. Dude, let me look at that. Let me look. Dude, you.
So they should have like a Skittles bag with just reds, just orange.
I'm currently 18, going on 19 in July. Hey, I've been doing YouTube videos since I was like 10. So even though I'm really young, I already have like 9 years of experience, you know. I started off doing gaming videos back in the day, and then I changed from gaming once I got quote unquote old enough to vlogging, because nobody wants to watch a 10-year-old vlogger, come on now. But like once I turned old enough to drive and things, I legit started vlogging, you know. Yeah, and then ever since then I've been posting stuff on Instagram, photos, short vlog edits, things like that. And then they found me through Instagram.
So I was on Instagram one day, and I think Bailey messaged me first.
Yeah, I did.
And then whenever someone inboxes me, I always look at their profile so that I'll know kind of who I'm talking to, because otherwise it's kind of weird when I hear you're talking to or whatever.
Right, I agree.
Even though there's only so much you can know by someone's profile, there's also a lot that you can know about.
That is so true.
But Bailey has quite a few followers on Instagram, and then I saw that he loves to do YouTube, and I was like, how cool is this? Because I don't usually get to meet someone else with a decent amount of followers, especially where we're from.
Right.
Just because it's not really
a popular place.
Yeah, it's not really like a very techie kind of place that we live or anything.
Right.
And so I instantly wanted to meet up with him, because obviously we wanted to have a content creator that's going to be able to, you know, vlog and not just edit regular content.
Right.
So I think this could be a great matchup. So I asked him to come in and everything, and he came in. Well, first of all, I went to your YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
Sat there for like an hour, which is very rare for me to sit and watch someone for that long, because I'm severely ADD and I can't sit still that long.
I'm the same way.
One person.
Wow.
But, I watched your video on you with the helium, and I was seriously dying laughing.
Wow.
Like, this guy's gonna be perfect, because a lot of times whoever has been behind the camera for me, videoing me, even if it's you know, just for like edited videos, the person is terrified to be talking behind the camera, or to be, you know, turning it around and showing themselves, kind of like you know, doing a vlog.
Right.
It's very different than just kind of being in the studio and filming and editing. And so I thought, this I think would be perfect, because he likes being behind the camera, but he also likes being in front of the camera.
Absolutely. Right? Good morning. We're a little bit less energetic this morning because it's a Friday, you know what I'm saying?
We're mad at the rainbow.
Yeah, we're mad at the rainbow this morning. So actually, let's turn this around. Good morning! So like, what exactly are you guys trying to do with this rainbow this morning?
Well, we're having a bit of a smell issue here, so we're trying to make it smell really good at the Laura Nash.
Okay. Oh, actually, that's me. I didn't shower last night. I'm sorry. I had to.
Bailey? I mean, you should have warned us so that we knew. Why
Everything's my fault.
Smelly?
What you gotta say about that, bro?
I got to say that it's completely unfortunate that this is happening today. That you guys have to work in this smell. It's bad. I think it's next door, maybe. I'm hoping it's next door.
Hopefully it just is next door instead, you know what I'm saying? So.
There better not be a dead animal in the basement. Are you going to check?
There's a dead animal in the basement. I'm not going to check.
Guys.
You are gonna check!
Oh my goodness.
We're not gonna check!
Aren't they a cute couple? Like, oh my gosh. Like, comment down below if you wish your marriage is this awesome one day. I'm just saying, like, it's goals right here. You know what I'm saying?
Hashtag goals for sure.
You're going.
I'm going down there?
Yeah, right now, go. Go.
Wait, what'd you say? I heard Mama LA. Wait, Mama LA, where you at though?
Y'all have to check together.
They're gonna check together?
Yes, you have to go check together.
Oh my god, I love her hair so much. Chris, where we headed to? Alright, history lesson.
So, when we moved in this building, the guy that came and inspected the building from downtown Spartanburg, he's like, yeah, everything was good and everything. And I said, oh, okay, well, we installed new plumbing. You'll have to go downstairs and check it out. And he was like, yeah. And he had an assistant with him. And she said, yeah, you can go down there. I'm not going down there. I've heard too many stories about down there. And I was like, what kind of stories? And he said, well, this place used to be haunted the whole time. The assistant's like, I was like, you know what? Just don't tell the girls that.
That's insane.
And so they ended up telling the whole team the next day when they came. There's no light down here though.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I don't know what you're gonna see, but as you see, it's extremely creepy.
It is creepy, wow. I feel like I'm on Ghost Hunters right now, like vlogging with this camera in the dark.
You and me both.
Yeah.
So, here's all the plumbing we put in and everything for the slime bowls.
Awesome.
But it doesn't smell down here like it smells upstairs.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell at
So
all.
I don't think it's that. It smells fine, so I think it has to do with next door. Maybe they're doing some finishing stuff.
Maybe so.
Let's go next door and creep in over the
Let's do it. So I guess we're gonna like walk outside and be vlogging like savages, and everybody's gonna be like, "Yo, what do you guys do on YouTube?" It's like you don't even know.
Alright, here's an update.
Update.
Downstairs doesn't smell bad at all.
Okay.
Is it funky?
Yeah, it's just you guys.
Okay.
So by the way, I did all that. I did those mirrors and everything.
You did all these mirrors?
Custom made.
Man, oh, custom made mirrors. Wow.
I can't take all the credit actually.
Yeah.
Lauren's dad, he's just a woodworking genius.
Woodworking genius.
So yeah, we put it all
Awesome.
together. And I pretty much just handed him tools and painted.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is our neighbor Jennifer.
Our neighbor Jennifer.
Alright. She bought this building to completely redo it so that she could live in it. In a downtown area, which is pretty cool. And it's beautiful. But I'm hoping it smells bad.
There's our business.
That's good.
Yeah, it does smell kind of weird. I think the title of this video should be "What's That Smell?" This reminds me of Casey Neistat's new 368 building.
Can you hear the music?
Yeah, it's like jazzy.
It's like word. Yeah. So it smells a little funny, so I'm gonna chalk it up to this.
Yeah, it smells kind of weird. So. You did close the door all the way? Oh my goodness, that's
It
the.
continues to keep happening. I don't know what we're doing.
Look at his shoes, guy. He's styling this morning. You know what I'm saying? Styling. This is how it looks for a man to work and grind and be successful. How are you doing this morning, Miss Patty?
I'm doing quite well. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, ma'am. I'm just glad I have coffee. I know it's Friday. Happy Friday to you. Swag.
Taking my vitamins.
Taking your vitamins. Swagger.
Well, I'm out for a bit.
All right. See you guys later. All right. See you later.
Love ya. Read it. Wait for you to say it back.
Goals.
Waiting.
Goals. Hashtag forever waiting.
I'm gonna choose to tell myself that I just couldn't hear him because of the back. His allergies are real bad right now. He couldn't hear.
Yeah, didn't he like cut the grass yesterday or something?
Yes, please look at this.
Yeah.
This was Christopher when he came home last
That was Chris when he came home.
Because he's highly allergic to grass.
Is that Will Smith?
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
Hitch.
gosh. That's so funny.
That's Christopher.
So today is Friday, what is it? Is it April? Haley, it's April, right? April 21st. Now, I did not bring my vlogging camera today. I did not bring my like really good other camera. Chris was wanting me to vlog and I was like, yo, can I use y'all's camera? Because I didn't bring mine, I'm sorry. Kind of tripping today. And he was like, yeah, man. So, and if you guys are watching this video, my name is Bailey Ridings. I'm the new content creator here on the Lauren Ashtyn Collection. Haley, say yay. If you're glad to have me, you know, but okay. So, I have a YouTube channel of my own. It is Bailey's ENT. Now, my name is spelled B-A-I-L-E-Y, but on YouTube, it is B-A-I-L-E-H because the Y was taken. And I like ENT because it stands for entertainment. So my channel is Bailey's Entertainment.
Okay, I'm opening up my package from Fashion Nova. I like freak out every time I get their package because I love it so much. And everything I have on today is Fashion Nova except for my belt is from Express. The shoes are Fashion Nova, the pants are Fashion Nova, shirts Fashion Nova. Oh, I lied, my earrings are from a trade show. But I'm sure that you could find these on Fashion Nova.
All right, there we go.
I love when I get a package though because I am so ADD and have so much going on in my life that I don't really ever remember what I ordered. So it's like Christmas every time that I get a package because I don't remember what I ordered. I'm like, oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, you're like, what? Say it again. You're like, what?
Like, oh yeah, look at that. Okay, here we go. Choose first.
Drum roll, please.
Ooh, I like the box. It's pretty.
Me too.
I literally have no clue what's in here. I swear I can't even tell you.
It's like I'm recording a Christmas video.
Ooh, me like it. If y'all can't tell, I really love black and white and gold. I love these. They're so pretty on. I'm gonna show them to you. Don't worry.
Those are awesome. Can I wear them?
These are like Rihanna shoes. I love. Okay, let's see what else we have in the collection now. Look, I have another 25% off coupon now.
Swag.
Swagalicious. Ooh. I'm trying to pretend like I don't rip open everything like a maniac on the video, but really I usually am like, ah! Like,
Yeah, I
I
am
don't
too.
want y'all to see that side of me. Oh, these are cute. I didn't know that they had
I like that.
little studs on them. Guys, look how cute these are.
Look at these pants though.
Look at the bottom. They're like scary.
Gosh, that's awesome. I know what we should do for a vlog, guys. Yo, we should, okay, me, you, Chris, whoever else, we should go like into your apartment and basically we should do like get ready with me video, but do like a montage to where it's like all your outfits ever known to man.
Yeah, and
I'm
then
making
I
a
slap
series.
my hair on my
You do
pants.
realize how long that's going to take, right?
Yeah, you
That's
can
gonna
never
take-
get.
Yeah.
You know all those trash bags in my
Yep.
kitchen I showed you yesterday?
Yes.
Those are all stuff that I'm just giving away. That was like
Oh.
10 ginormous trash bags full of stuff.
But Ashtyn will give you a chance to organize your stuff.
I will pay you extra. Bonuses galore.
I love my new job.
She couldn't help it. She couldn't help herself. She knows I need the organization too.
Oh man.
And crop top combo. And I think, I wish the price is on here. $29 with 40% or 30% off coupon for both together. How can you even beat that? Seriously. And the fabric's like so nice.
That's awesome. I like that.
And they're so great because they even send you a return label and everything in case you ever want to return anything or swap it out. Yeah. All right, Fashion Nova, if you're watching this video, I would love to be an affiliate.
Yes, do it.
I do order from y'all like every week.
Somebody has to, right?
Yeah. All right, next, we've got some pink britches over here.
Pink britches.
Pink britches, that's what my poppy would call them, britches.
Funny though you said
My
that.
poppy, if I was with him right now, he would say, why you pay for them britches that look like they're old and you used them on the farm? Because that's how they make them now, Poppy.
Hashtag generation gap be like.
Yeah. Ooh, high-waisted pink pants. Yes, yes. These were no price on them.
No price, absolutely.
Free, I like it. No.
It is free.
I'm really excited about this one. It's the
Oh,
cute little
love,
top. Can
love,
you
love,
even?
love,
This is so 90s, I can't even take it. Like,
Oh my god.
it's so
It
90s.
really is.
Look at that top. That is
The way
so
the top
90s.
is cut.
Yo, I see a photo shooting downtown Spartanburg getting an ice cream cone with that, bro.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
Hashtag
And
trending.
even with these pants.
Yes.
30% off for both
Yeah,
together.
but you know what? When they're that inexpensive, then it's like they have 0 to size 6 and that's it.
No, they don't. They even have plus
Or
size.
they don't have old lady clothes.
No, seriously, go on the website. It's not. It has like stuff for everybody on there. By the way, they did not send me this stuff for free. I'm telling you this because I really like this stuff. Okay, for y'all later.
This video is not sponsored.
And this video is not sponsored, but we would like it to be. So Fashion Nova, please call Lauren Ashtyn.
Yes.
I would love to do. Ooh, I'm excited about these. I think they'll actually be long enough for me.
I
Let's
think
see.
they will. Even with Hill, yes.
Bruno Mars pants.
And that's a wrap. Oh, let's do that again. That was bad. That's a wrap. Okay, there we go.
Wait, actually, one more time. One more time.
And that's a wrap.
Okay, there we go.